CataractCoach.com, case 200 and already doing chop. So great job for this resident surgeon who's learning phaco chop, and you can learn it too, I promise you. Let's watch this case here. Again, this is case number 200 for this anonymous resident here. Looks like some topical anesthesia. There comes the paracentesis. Looks pretty reasonable. And then you can see there's a posterior subcapsular cataract. Here comes some anesthetic. Next time, take out the bubbles, young doctor. And let's see the viscoelastic fill. There we go. Here's our viscoelastic fill coming across the eye. Good draping, by the way. Eyes in primary. I like it. Yes, the video sped up. We know about that. That's okay. We're just trying to be efficient here because I know my Cataract Coach fans, you don't want to sit through a 15 or 20-minute video, do you? No, of course not. Now, here's the incision. Look, I'm making a little bit of a groove. And let's see that keratome. And that's nicely hitting the limbal vessels. That's a beautiful looking incision too. Good looking incision. Let's see the rexus here. Okay, using assisted tome. That's reasonable. Although I bet you with these skills, you could do it with just the forceps. And then here we go, starting a little bit of a flap there. And let's see the rexus coming on. Okay, measuring with those special forceps. I like that. Get a nice looking rexus done. Yeah, listen, you're good. That's a beautiful rexus. Come on, you're great. For case 200. But let me tell you one thing. Stay humble. Stay humble, young doctor. You do not know what's coming. And down the road, case 200 is where you get that false sense of security. And I'm going to give you a lot of praise because you're doing really great. You're far ahead of the bell curve. But there's so much more to be learned. At case 1000, you'll look back and you'll think, oh my gosh, I learned so much. So there's a good height of dissection. You can see reasonable nuclear density here. Let's see the chop technique here. Phaco probe going in, bevel down. Let's see the chopper in the other hand. I'm going to bevel up now. Cleaning out some anterior lens material. There's your attending who's squirting the eye. You're using a chopper here. Hey, I like that chopper. I've seen that one before. And this is not me operating, I promise you. Buzzing in and then chop. Wow. Very efficient here. Yeah, a little bit of a combo chop there. Buzzing again. Bring the pieces up. This is pretty dang good. That's really good. Very nicely done. Taking out that little quadrant there, a little piece, a little chip. And now buzz into the other piece. And then chop another piece off. Okay, I like that. Chopping little by little. You know, it's funny, when you're starting to learn chop, it's so much fun to chop that you find yourself sub-chopping each heminucleus so many different times because you just want to keep chopping. It's that much fun. And I got to tell you, after tens of thousands of cases, I'm still entertained. I love doing cataract surgery. Now, taking out that last bit, now here's the second heminucleus. Let's see what you're going to do here. Buzzing on the side of it, in the meaty part right there. Boom. Bring that up. Chop her around. That's a little horizontal chop. I like that. You, my young doctor friend, have been watching some good videos. I'll tell you that right there. This is a Cataract Coach fan for sure. And you can see the attending squirting the eye every so often. So clearly this is definitely a resident case because I don't know any doctors in practice who have an assistant squirting the eye. Now let me tell you about retina rounds. You're a young doctor. You're a young resident. You need to watch retinarounds.com. It's great material. It's not just for retina specialists. It's stuff that you actually need to know. You will thank me later. Now see, going with the eye probe. By the way, nice looking main incision. I like it a lot. And then taking these little pieces out here. Yep. Let's see some cortex clean up. Nicely done. Getting all that out. Fantastic. Yeah, if you are a doctor in practice, whether you're in practice for 1 year, 5 years, or 20 years, and you say, you know what, I just wish I could learn phaco chop. I'm kind of sick of divide and conquer. Can someone teach me phaco chop? Yes, I will teach you on CataractCoach.com, and we'll do it for free. Come on, you just got to put in the effort. I promise that's all it takes. You put in the effort, I'll teach you for sure. All right, clean that up pretty nicely, looking good. And then let's see the viscoelastic going in the eye. There's a little bit of smudgy stuff on the posterior capsule. I'd like to clean that up, but if you're a young resident, you can leave it be. You can always do a YAG capsulotomy later. And now let's see, come in with the lens. And the lens is going to be, I'm guessing, you're a resident case, routine case, probably single piece acrylic lens. What do you think? That's gonna be my bet. So maybe you're loading it yourself, which is, if you are, fantastic. I like the skill set. You got to know how to do everything in the case. Yep, here it comes. Single piece of acrylic lens going in the capsular bag. Deliver. Get that thing opened up quite nicely. And now we can judge the rexus size. We know the optic's going to be 6 millimeters in diameter. So now you can see what's the rexus size. That looks great. Overlapping 360. Going behind the optic to remove viscoelastic. I like that too. Maybe clean up that posterior capsule a little bit. Yeah, clean a little bit of that smudgy stuff off. Get that lens centered up. Look at that overlap. Beautiful. 6 millimeter optic. That's definitely a 5 millimeter rexus. On the money. Great job there. Finish up this case. Call this a day. You did a fantastic job. Now the next step is improving refractive accuracy. What about the astigmatism? Do you need a little bit of an LRI here? A paired incision? We know what the paired incisions, right? Look at the hydration of the incision. Boom, the way I taught you. I love it. This is my young disciple. I don't know who you are because I don't keep the names on these files. You did a fantastic job here. Little air bubble at the end. Okay, whatever makes you happy. Not really required. But nicely centered up lens, overlap by the capsulorhexis. Incisions are sealed up. Pressure's normal. Beautiful. Listen, I'm proud of you. You did a great job. Stay humble, young doctor, because there are some surprises coming. And by case 1,000, you'll thank me later and say, you know what? You're right. At 200, I thought I was good. But boy, did I learn so much. And we all keep learning forever. And that's why you check out retinarounds.com, our sister channel, and you submit your video to CataractCoach.com. Check it out.